Are you trying to grow on YouTube in 2025 and you are still stuck under 1,000 subscribers? Don't worry, you don't need luck. All you need is strategy. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get your first 1,000 subscribers with clear and simple steps that works today. Step 1, choose a topic. Don't post about everything. Don't post about food, about lifestyle, about vlog, don't post about every single thing. Choose a particular topic, maybe finance, maybe tutorials, maybe lifestyle, maybe gaming. Choose a particular topic that your channel is going to be about. Choosing a particular topic will help the algorithm understand your channel, who your topic is for, and the right audience to push your videos to. One topic plus one audience equals faster growth. Step 2, make 3 video types. Every channel needs 3 video types. Number 1 can be 1 searchable content, 2 trending videos, 3 evergreen videos or evergreen contents, as you can call it, as you can say. Searchable contents are contents that people are always googling about. Searchable contents are contents that people are always searching about. For instance, how to cook jollof rice. Searchable contents are contents that people are searching or googling about. You can think of different contents that people are always googling about in your niche. For instance, if you are in the cooking niche, you can check how to cook jollof rice or how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. These are these are contents that people are always searching about, or even how to cook native jollof rice, or even how to cook native food. These are the kind of contents that people are searching for or people are googling for. So post contents that are searchable. So always post contents that are searchable or contents that people are searching about. Number 2 is trending topics or trending content. These trending topics or trending contents are contents that are actually trending at that time in your niche. Okay, so there are times that a particular topic will start trending in a particular niche, maybe in the growth niche, or in the fitness niche, or in the finance niche, or in the first investment niche, or even in the technology niche. So find out the contents that are always trending find out the content that is trending in your niche and make that kind of content. That way you get a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, and of course a lot of watch hours on your channel. Now the third one is evergreen topics or evergreen content. Evergreen topics or contents are contents that are always searching for, year by year, month by month, day by day, like contents that doesn't fade away. Okay, these are the kind of contents that people are always searching for, whether in months, in years, even after 3 years, after 4 years. These contents are still evergreen. Okay, for example, one of the evergreen topics can be how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube fast. So this kind of content is something that people always search about. Even from 2020 to 3030, people are always searching this kind of content because they want to learn how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube so that they can reach the monetization requirements. Okay, so these are the types of videos that you should post on your channel so that you can get a lot of subscribers, watch hours, and also subscribers. Step 3, post consistently. Post at least once or twice in a week. Consistently builds trust with the algorithm. If you post today and then you stop, and then in the next 3 months you now post another one, and in the next 6 months you now post another one, it will tell the algorithm that you are not serious. Basically, it's going to make the algorithm feel like this channel is a bot, okay, that this channel is a robot. Posting consistently will also attract viewers or audience to your channel. This will make YouTube to push out your videos to more audience or to more viewers. And you posting consistently is telling YouTube that this is the kind of contents that you actually make, and this is the kind of viewers, audience that your videos are for. So always try as much as possible to post consistently, but while posting consistently, make sure you post value. Step 4, thumbnail and title. The thumbnail and title of your video is just like husband and wife. Make sure that your thumbnails always say something about your title, and make sure that your title always says something about your thumbnail. They should have this relationship, this tight relationship. Okay, so make sure that your title and your thumbnails are always in line. This will help give your audience or viewers the right understanding of what your video is all about. For me, I will say that the thumbnail and your title are like the most important part of that video, because if someone doesn't click, then the person doesn't watch, and if the person doesn't watch, you will not have subscribers and you will not have watch hours. So for you to get 1,000 subscribers, work on your title and work on your thumbnail. Always use titles that are searchable, titles that people can easily understand. And while you are using that title, make sure the title involves curiosity and clarity. Therefore, thumbnail, put up a thumbnail that is catchy, put up a thumbnail that people will be curious about. Make sure that that thumbnail, even though it involves curiosity, that it also has clarity of what your video is all about. Always use bold text, like 2 to 3 words is enough, high contrast color, and a clear hook. Step 5, watch time growth. It is important that you understand that the more people watches your video, the more the YouTube algorithm will push your video. If a lot of people start watching a particular video, YouTube will push that video to more people. And trust me, when you have a lot of viewers on a particular video, that particular video will get a lot of subscribers for you. So the more people watch your videos, the more YouTube pushes your video, and the more YouTube pushes your video, the more subscribers you will get, and of course the more watch time you will get, because it's not just about the subscribers, you are also trying to get watch hours. Add patterns like, number 1, open very strong in the first 15 seconds of your video. Make sure that the first 15 seconds of your video hooks the attention of the viewer very fast. You can also use chapters in your video. That way you will make the viewer to continue watching your video. The third one is keep your content fast and engaging. Don't make your content to be boring. Make sure that your content is always engaging. Yes, I understand that there are people that do not talk very fast, that there are people that talk calmly. Even when you are talking calmly, make sure that your video is engaging. Make sure that your video is engaging. Make sure that your video is engaging. That way you will hook the viewer and get subscriber from that viewer. That way you will retain that viewer. Step 6, ask your viewers to subscribe. It is important that you know that a lot of people, if you don't tell them anything, they will not do anything. Some people will always subscribe even without you telling them, but there are people that if you don't say please subscribe, they will not subscribe. Okay, so always tell your viewer or ask your viewers to subscribe if they find that particular video helpful, or if they find that particular thing that you did very helpful. So tell them to like your videos, tell them to comment on your videos, tell them to share your videos, tell them to subscribe to your video, and that way you will get a lot of subscribers from them and from people that they share that videos to. While you are asking your viewers to subscribe, always give them reasons why they should subscribe. You can say, if you learned something about creating your YouTube video, please do well to subscribe. As I'm saying this, have you subscribed to this channel? Please subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be providing you with a lot of YouTube growth and monetization strategies. So subscribe. If you are serious about hitting your first 1,000 subscribers, do well to follow these steps, and trust me that you will get your first 1,000 subscribers faster than you can imagine. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to hit the like button, hit the like button, subscribe, drop your comment, tell me about your channel, what your channel is about, so I can also support you by subscribing to your channel. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and always know that I am rooting for you. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.